So hello everyone, today we are learning numeric method. So first we see the formula of Newton-Raphson method, which is xn plus 1 equals to xn minus f xn upon f dash of xn. So first we start with our first question. So the question is, using Newton-Raphson method, find the root of the equation cos x equals to 3x minus 1 correct to 3 decimal places. So what we have to do, we have to take the answer up to 3 decimal places. So first we write what is given. So given is cos x equals to 3x minus 1. So what we can do now, we can shift the cos x next to the 3x. So the fx will be 3x minus cos x minus 1. So this is our first equation. So we have to take derivative of this. So f dash of x equals to what is the derivative of 3x? It's 3, and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, but here is a sin minus, so it will be plus sin x, and the derivative of 1 is 0, so we can't take it. So this is equation 2. So now equation 1 will be, so what we can do now, we have to put f of 0 and then f of 1. जब तक हमें प्लस और एक माइनस ना मिल जाए तब तक हमें ये प्रोसेस. सो फर्स्ट वी टेक हियर f of 0. So we will get it 3 of 0 minus cos of 0 minus 1. So we will get the answer in our calculus minus 2, which is less than 0. So now we get a minus equation, so we have to find out the plus equation 2. So we take f of 1 equals to 3 of 1 minus cos of 1 minus 1. So when we solve in our calculus, we get the answer 1.4597, which is greater than 0. So now we get a minus and plus sign. So what we have to do is, therefore we get the roots which are lies between 0 and 1. So therefore root lies between 0 and 1. So by numerically, without taking the sign, the 2 is larger than the 1.4597. So what we can do now, that f of 1 is less than f of 0. So the value of our x0 will be 1, because we have to take the smaller one. So we have take that f of 1, means here we take x0 equals to 1. Then by Newton Raphson method. So in the earlier I have tell you the formula of Newton-Raphson method, which is x n plus 1 equals to xn minus f of xn upon f dash of xn. So this is our equation 3. So what we have to do now, that we have to put n equals to 0 in equation 3. So it will be become x0 plus 1 equals to x0 minus f of x0 upon f dash of x0. So what we get here, here we can get x of 1, and we already find out the value of x0, which is 1. So here we take 1, and we also here see that x of 0 is the value 1, and then f of 1 we have already find out, which is 1.4597. so we will write here 1.4597, but we don't have the value of this one, f dash of 1, so we have to calculate by taking in the equation 2. Here we take the value of x1 in that equation, so I will tell you how to find it. So the equation 2 is 3 plus sine x. So what we can do now, we have 3 plus, and we will put the value of x, which is 1. So 3 plus sine 1. So we get the answer in our calci is 3.8416. So this is the value we get it. Then we can solve this both in our calci. Then we get the answer 0.6200. Okay, get it? Then what we have to do then? We have to put n equals to 1 in equation 3. So what we can do now? We can put the formula, which is xn plus 1 equals to xn minus f of xn upon f dash of xn. So we here put the value 1. So x1 plus 1 will be x2 equals to, and here we can take xn means x1, because here's the value n equals to 1. So xn equals to 1. Sorry, here we get the value of x1. So we are put the value of x1 in it, which is 0.6200, and we have to find out f of xn and f dash of xn. Means we have to find out the value of f of x by taking 0.6200 as the value of x. So when we solve it in equation 1, we get the answer 0.0461, and when we have to find f dash of xn, we have to put this value in equation 2. So then we get the answer 3.5810, and by solving this we get x2, which is 0.6071. So then we have to put x equals to 2 in equation 3. So what we have to do, there is a formula that we have to put the value of n, which is 2. So 2 plus 1 will be 3. So then x3 equals to, then we have to put the value of xn. Then xn means it will be x2, and the value of x2 is 0.6071, and also we have to find the value of f of xn and f dash of xn. So earlier I have tell you that if you have to find out the value of xn means f of x2, then we have to put the value of x2 in equation 1. So then we get the answer which is minus 0.000005. because it will come into 10 raised to power something, so we will convert it, and f dash of x2, the value will get it 3.5704. So while solving in calci, we will get the answer 0.6071. So now we don't have to solve anything, because we get the same values, because the value of x2 and x3 is here, so the required root is 0.6071. So I hope you understand all this, and if you have some query, comment me in the comment box, and thank you for watching this video.